Let's make this gut-friendly sauce. That's kind of like a tzatziki sauce, but it's not tzatziki sauce. We're going to start by mincing 2 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to finely chop up about 1/4 cup of red onion. I am dicing up 3 tomatoes. They are about small in size. This is 1.5 cucumbers that I skinned and chopped well. Then we are going to juice or take the juice of a lemon, about a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to take about a tablespoon of dill. You see me finally dicing that up or chopping that up. Salt and pepper to taste. And these are all the veggies in our bowl because we are going to be storing this in the refrigerator after we mix it really well with a high quality Greek yogurt. That is going to contain all the good bacteria, probiotics, and protein as well. Eat it by itself or eat it with the meat of your choice. Enjoy.